pretty much everybody can agree that DWM is a good window manager. However, DWM needs patched to have basic functionality. Why? Because it's minimalist and some people don't even want that functionality, so they're not going to build it in. So let's look at the patching process. Normally what you do is you go on the Suckless website, you download a diff, you get the source code, and you try and apply the patch. The first couple are going to go well, and the third might have throw a couple errors, and then by the time you get like fifth, sixth, seventh patch, it's over. You're just getting a bunch of errors. You have to implement the patch by yourself manually. That's not going to work out. So this person, Backaby, made DWM Flexi Patch to streamline the process, and all you have to do is go into, well, let's actually take a look at the source code real quick. Go into patches.def.h, change all of these values, and compile the program. However, even that's going to take a while, and sometimes you just want to tell it exactly what you want it to do right at build time. So I created a script to basically just do that on the fly. So the first thing that you want to do is run git clone recurse submodules and then this URL right here. Wait for it to obviously clone. And we're going to take a look at the list of patches that I have on my DWM build, just to show you that it's not outlandish to patch or anything. So we look over here, DWM blocks, bar layout symbol, bar status, bar tag symbols, window title, alpha, hide vacant tags, attach aside. All these things are necessary for my DWM build. And my other Suckless software builds are also all patched. ST has the alpha patch, dmenu has an alpha patch as well, DWM blocks has plenty of other things, and even you need to edit the source code to add all of your blocks in, so it's necessary. But this is about DWM right now, so let's go into here, and right off the bat you can see that we have these folders. So DWM Flexi Patch is going to be the folder with all the source code. The Flexi Patch Finalizer, that's actually going to turn the build that you create from the patches.def.h file, going to turn that into an actual build you can distribute. And dps.sh, that's the file that we're actually going to be running. So let's run it right now. And let's say I want alpha bar, so bar underscore alpha. Hit tab on your keyboard in order to select one. Delete that. Let's say swallow and full screen, just a few. And then hit enter when you're done. And it will say finalize build and strip flexi patch components. You'll say yes, and it will automatically make and install the build for you. Now you're going to get a few errors at first, but if you do it again, so let's go into final source, you make it, and then you make install. So I'll do is make install. It'll run just fine. Now I've already made an install. I wonder if you can make clean. You can. So we'll make it again, and obviously you're going to get a few warnings. That's because this is a bit of an unconventional way to actually I guess patch the software. And then we'll do as make install. It'll install it. Now I'm gonna go back and install my personal build of DWM. Do as make install. However, this will work out just fine, and I could actually probably just go through, apply all these patches in DWM Flexi Patch, have a much more maintainable build, but I'm pretty content with the build that I have. So that's about it for the DWM patching process. Like I said, very simple. This script itself actually doesn't require a lot. The only things that you need are, hold on, let me go back. The only things that you need are sed, grep, normal things, and then make, obviously, because you need to actually make the software, and then, where is it? FCF. Yeah, there's only one instance of FCF actually used, but you just need FCF, and from everything besides that, it's fine. I know I use a cat here, probably could use something different, but it's fine for now. Anyways, that's all for DWM. Very simple, very friendly for anybody to pick up and use. You don't even need to clone the DWM source code yourself. So that's it. Thanks for watching.